video, I just want to show you guys real quick how you can be able to connect to your MySql database. But on this one, I'm using what is called MySql Procedural way of logging in. So now this is the database I want to access outside from this system. So this is the database I want to use from one of my databases here. So I have what is called banking, the database. So now this is the code I've already compiled. I've already defined it as a constant here, root and the password of the database and the local host. I'm hosting it by my system, and banking, the name of database. So it's called banking. Make the connection. This one will make the connection, and this one will check the connection. So if anything goes wrong, it will say could not connect MySql, but everything works fine. It will echo connected successfully, and this last one will close the system for any attack. You don't have this work. This is if you're creating form for registration of a member or whatever that will store information to your database. This code, you will integrate it to your system front end for the system to be able to access the database. So now let's run this code and see how it will respond. Localhost /test /MySql.php and see how it will respond. So if everything goes fine, it will say you are successfully logged in. If anything goes wrong, it will say you are not able to log in, access denied. So let's hope I believe if everything will work out fine, there's not going to be any problem. So I believe that things will work out fine. So look at this code again. You can just be able, what are you gonna do if you want to use this procedure? Just remove my password and remove the name of my database and put yours. So now it works fine. It's connected successfully. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. See you guys some other time. Just a small video I want to show you guys. That code is fine, like everything. You can use it your job and do all your testing, whatever you want to do. Thank you very much for watching. Talk to you guys some other time. Bye bye. Ciao.